Surely, you've heard tales of Xantara, the most secure realm in the world, where joy filled the hearts of its people, days were bright and cheerful, and the nights, oh, the nights, were enchanting and wondrous. Lately, the skies had grown even more dazzling, adorned with countless stars, as if whispering a secret to someone tied to this land, someone extraordinary. "Help us, dear one, help us." "Princess, are you well, Aria?" Aria shared with Master Kenji her vivid dream, so real it lingered in her soul. "For the past 2 months, it's visited me every night." Kenji's eyes widened as he exhaled deeply. "What does it mean?" "It's time you learned the truth. Far beyond the Azure Sea lies a realm once home to radiant fairies, known as Crown Haven. Crown Haven was governed by the fairy queen, Stella. Under her reign, the land was truly the happiest place known. But the greedy gaze of the desolate realm's ruler, King Varkas, fell upon it. With his mighty forces, he advanced toward the kingdom. That's when your father, King Elias, stepped in and repelled Varkas's army. Your father? Yes. What happened next? Queen Stella, in gratitude, blessed your mother, who was pregnant with you at the time. When you were born, a constellation mark appeared beneath your eyes, mirroring Stella's own. But when Torin usurped Xantara, Varkas saw his chance. He devised a sinister plan to seize Crown Haven. This time, he didn't rely solely on his army, but hatched a darker scheme, exploiting an upcoming solar eclipse. A solar eclipse? The fairies draw their power from Queen Stella, who draws hers from the stars. Our sun, the closest star, sustains her strength, but during an eclipse, Stella becomes powerless. Stella! Her scepter was stolen, and she was imprisoned in a distant cage, far from her realm. Without her, the fairies lost their magic, and Varkas swiftly claimed the kingdom. We must save her. That's why she's reaching out to you. But beware, Aria. The path to her is fraught with peril. It's not a simple journey. I don't fear challenges, Master. That night, Kenji provided a detailed map of Crown Haven and the remote outskirts where Stella was held. Thank you, Master. I must take my leave now. Please, watch over Xantara, and I'll return soon. Hey, why aren't you asleep yet, huh? That'll show him. What the? Looking for someone. Who are you? Don't you know this is King Varkas's? If I catch you or any of your king's minions harassing these innocent creatures, I vow by the sun you'll never see its light again. Now go, and tell your king his reign is nearing its end. Who are you? Aria. I've heard of you. You're mighty Aria. Are you here to save us? Look, she bears the same mark as our queen. I need your aid. Rally all the fairies to... I must keep moving. Farewell. Wow, I want to be like her. Me too. At dawn's first light, Aria reached the outskirts of Crown Haven, where her first trial awaited. The Stone Titan. Who dares approach? What do you seek? I ask you to step aside, so I may continue my quest. Only if you can solve my riddle. This will be simpler than I expected. Go on. Are you jesting? No, sir. I'm serious. Very well. Answer this. The more you take, the more you leave. What is it? The more you take, the more you leave. What could it be? I've journeyed so far only to be stumped by a riddle. Wait, I know it. The answer is... footprints. The more you take, the more you leave. Very well. You may pass. The Stone Titan stepped aside. Farewell. After trekking further, Aria felt the ground quake beneath her. Before she could react, she was dangling upside down, caught in a rope trap. Oh no, this isn't good. Whoa! How did I... Suddenly, the mark beneath her eyes began to glow. Aria realized she was close. She hurried forward and arrived at the edge of a fiery chasm. It wasn't just any pit. It blazed with flames. Across it stood a cage. Though Aria couldn't clearly see its occupant, she knew it was Queen Stella. The challenge was the absence of a bridge to cross. What now? Aria. It can't be. Aria can control flames? Aria! You answered my call. I'm so proud of you. We must hurry to the kingdom. The fairies should have subdued the guards with enchanted wine by now. We need to strike Varkas swiftly. Let's go. Meanwhile, King Varkas, oblivious, plotted in his court while his guards slumbered outside. Mozart, I plan to conquer Xantara next. It's a splendid realm, and I relish ruining splendid realms. Yes, my lord, but what of the vigilante who attacked our soldiers? Shouldn't you be worried? Pfft, nonsense. Handle it. I have grander schemes. I want Xantara. You should. though I hear their ruler is a formidable princess, Princess Aria. A princess? The one who outwitted Torin? Deception is a craft I perfected long. Stella? Stella? How are you free? What's that you said? Deception is a craft you... Who are you? Guards! Mozart, what's happening? My lord, it's her, Princess Aria. You'll pay for this. Think princesses are frail and dainty? Time to rethink that. You can't touch me. I hold Stella's scepter, and you'll never find it. This scepter, you mean? How? How did you... Look, Varkas, your guards are out cold. When a ruler is corrupt, his reign crumbles quickly. Fairies, rise! No! With that, the fairies reclaimed their magic. Varkas was banished to the same cave where he'd imprisoned Stella. Magic and harmony returned to Crown Haven as Stella ascended her throne once more. The fairies cheered for their queen, but even more for their savior, Princess Aria. Mighty Aria! Mighty Aria! Mighty Aria! Thank you, Aria. Thank you for everything. No need for thanks. It's my duty, and we're bound. Indeed, bound by the sun. But Aria, you're immensely powerful. You must learn to master your abilities and understand your gifts. For now, I must return to my people. The rest can wait. And so, joy returned to Crown Haven. Zantara celebrated their princess's return. Hooray! That night, the heavens sparkled as countless lanterns floated skyward with shooting stars dancing in the background, a perfect complement.